Come here! Look! Look!
What is it, Peter? Is it another robot?
No, it's a house on a tree.
Wow. That looks amazing.
Yeah, it does.
Absolutely incredible design.
Can we have one? Okay.
Emma, have you seen this?
Seen what?
Image 3 says, strong wood, easy tools, fun for the whole family.
It's big. It's a tree house. We can sleep there. Sleep on a tree? Yes, with a blanket.
I always wanted one when I was a kid.
I know.
I know.
Oh, what? It's very expensive. And it's not just a toy.
Well, dreams are not cheap. David, I'm joking. Mostly we can build it together. What are you talking about? A tree house on our tree? Yes. Men are just big kids. Hey, big kids can build things. Build things.
Please. Okay, but we do this together and safely. Yes! Can I help? Can I help?
Of course. Is that the ladder?
Yes. And this a wall the band nächste Portschutschkeit komme cheeks by bald the And this is the window.
Why does it need a ladder? Because it's high. Because it's high.
Good question. Good question. The ladder helps us go up safely.
Hello?
Huh?
Young.
Is it strong?
It has to be.
Strong things keep us safe. Treehouse kit. They're bigger than I thought.
You said it would be small. I may have said medium.
Oh, what's inside?
Ugh. It's so big. Tools. Wood. Screws. What is a screw?
It holds things together so they don't fall.
Hanya? Like glue.
Like glue. Stronger than glue.
What is that?
A hammer.
A hammer.
What?
Can I try?
Huh?
Oh, you can hold it. I will use it. Emma, you can put the pillows here. Okay. Yes. Why do we paint the wood? To protect it from rain. So it stays longer. Yes.
Oh, Crier, can I draw here?
Can I draw here?
Yes. Make it yours.
Yeah. Is it heavy?
Yes. Hold tight. Slowly. No rush. Good. Perfect.
Okay, moment of truth. It holds. It's real.
You did a good job. It's beautiful. Yeah, it is. I think this room is mine.
No, it's mine.
No, it's not. I got here first. But I want it. You always get the best things. Where is my room? We share. It's more fun.
This tree feels different now.
Let's go down for now.
Building this house made me very hungry.
Can we sleep? Can we keep here tonight?
Maybe.
Dad?
Dad.
Dad?
Is it morning already?
Listen. That's better than an alarm. There's something outside. Mom! Anna!
A bird!
Look!
Oh, wow, look at that, son!
It's a bird in a nest.
Huh.
Did we scare them?
Looks like they're okay.
Yay! No.
No. They came because it feels safe. Oh, can they stay?
Can they stay? Oh.
This is their home too. I won't touch it.
Looks like we have neighbors.
Oh, why do we give them water? Everyone needs water. Even birds like this.
Yes. Slowly we are helping. That's right.
That's right.
Is this okay here? It's okay here? It's perfect. Why do more birds come? Because they see others feel safe. So safety grows. Yes, it does. Ah! Did you see that? Did you see that? They like it here. It looks different now.
It feels alive.
Oh, lie.
Yes, the area has animals, some rare trees.
I don't care about birds. This project will make money.
Adsnut, start the survey.
A new entertainment resort may come to the area.
Wow, look at that slide.
Oh no, this doesn't look good.
That forest, it's close.
Is that our forest?
Let's go. Let's go and see tomorrow. Why are there signs? They are measuring.
Does that mean they will cut it? It means someone wants to change it. What about the birds?
We will find a way.
That's strange.
What is it?
These signs don't match. These signs don't match.
What do you mean?
This map says protected area.
So they can't build here.
They shouldn't.
Then why are they here?
We should keep this.
I don't know what they want.
They won't take it. We're talking to people nearby.
We've been looking everywhere.
There may be changes to the forest.
I heard something on the news.
We're trying to understand it.
It's a bit complicated, but we're working on it.
Hello. I wanted to talk about the forest.
I'm busy. Sorry.
We live nearby. We're asking neighbors about the forest.
I understand. I don't know yet.
I don't know yet. That's okay.
No,
Are you sad?
a little.
A little. Sungi may turn about.
Quarter o minche.
What are you thinking?
Worrying.
What if we do something? Something like what?
So people can see it.
See what?
Hmm.
Hmm.
Why this place is special?
You're up early again.
I couldn't sleep.
Are you thinking about the forest?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
If they cut the trees, the birds will go. They need our help. They will be scared. I don't want them to lose their home. They will be scared.
Guillermo.
I don't want them to lose their home. Me neither. Me neither. I know. Yeah. They start the survey today.
They start the survey today.
That's fast. Mom, can I show you something? Of course. If people see this, maybe they will understand. You care very deeply.
But they didn't listen before.
Maybe they didn't see yet. Then, we help them to see.
Okay, let's try.
Is this the roof? Yes. This is a nail. It keeps things together. Is it strong? Yes, it's very strong. Yes. The birds need to feel safe. Okay, one is ready.
Should I paint it soft?
Yes, so they don't feel scared. We're not asking for money. We just want to protect the forest.
It's hard to stop big plants.
It's harder to lose what we love. Mom, look! They're beautiful! I haven't seen this many birds in years. Save our forest. Is it okay?
It's clear and kind. Sometimes, clear is stronger than loud. Can we give them out tomorrow?
Yes, together. What is that sound?
Birds. Can we go closer? They are not afraid.
Ooh, look!
Wow. Maybe we forgot how to be outside.
Please read this. My daughter loves birds.
I'll read it. Thank you, kid.
My kids play here. This place is peaceful. Hello, everyone.
Hey, we don't want to fight. We want to protect our home.
They're here! Mom!
This area is under construction. Please, your construction. Please move away. Maybe we should go.
Maybe we should go.
We should go.
Please stop. You need to leave.
We have permission. This is our forest. Our children play here.
The birds live here. My kids come here every day. This place is important. We love it here. Keep moving.
They live here.
Mom, I'm scared.
Stop. Stop. Sir, there are people. This is legal. We are building for progress. Stop everything now. That's the mayor. Stop everything now. This project is canceled. We have evidence. This forest is protected land. You're right. This is the mayor. Stop the project immediately. Yes! All machines leave the area. They're safe. Yes.
Yes.
My son smiled today.
He did? He did? Yes!
Yes, the birds helped.
Thank you.
Sometimes we forget what matters. You did the right thing. Yeah. Thank you, Mayor.
I was scared.
So was I.
So was I. But I'm glad we tried.
Trying matters.
Oh, This house is special.
It changed more than...
It changed more than us. It brought people together.
Sometimes a small idea can change many things. When we care and when we stand together, we can protect what we love. Thank you for watching.
If you like this story, stay with us for the next episode. Wow, look at that! It's so beautiful.
We made this together.
This makes sure everything is straight. See the bubble?
Oh, I get it.
That's it. Good job.
Okay. Straight. Straight is better. It needs a bit of magic. Oh. There, that should do it. The birds are invited to tea. Wow! Look at that one. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look, that's a shooting star. Wow! Over there. It's so beautiful.
Make a wish, sweetheart.
I wish every bird has a home.
They do now.
They do now. Yes, they do.